Hello everyone, I am Lubis Endar Sakti. Welcome to my chess channel, Chess Indo. Please keep on supporting us by clicking like, share and subscribe. We are discussing about how to checkmate with bishop and knight, part 2. Let's take a look at the position. White king is on f6, bishop on f5 and knight f7. Black king is on g8. White can start with bishop g6 for example. King f8, the only move for black. Bishop h7. King e8. Knight e5. In the previous video, black king moves to f8. And now we are going to see if black king moves to d8. White continues with king e6. Black king moves to c7, trying to escape to b6 square. White prevents this plan by moving knight d7. King c6. Black king is trying to escape to b5 square. White prevents with bishop d3. King c7. Bishop e4. King d8. King d6. King e8. Black king is trying to escape to f7 square. White prevents by moving bishop g6 check. King d8. Bishop f7. King c8. Knight c5. King b7 for example. King c6. King c8. Knight b7 to control d8 square, so black king cannot move to d8. King b8 is the only move for black. King b6. King c8, trying to escape to d7 square. Bishop e6 check. King b8. Bishop d7, or another option like bishop f5, bishop g4 or bishop h3 along h3 d7 diagonal. Black continues with the only move king a8. White continues with knight c5. King b8. Knight a6 check. King a8, the only square for black, and then bishop c6 checkmate. That was our video today. Please click like, share and subscribe on our video. See you in the next videos. Bye.